Hello everyone, this is Blow Phrasal Verb Part 5 and the last one. Today's word is blow over. Blow over typically means for a situation, problem, or conflict to pass or resolve, often without causing lasting damage or consequences. Here are some examples. As a number one, if you want to talk about an argument that has blown over, for example, their disagreement about the project blew over by the next day, and they were back to working harmoniously. Number two, if you want to talk about a scandal that has blown over, for example, the controversy surrounding the politician eventually blew over, and it didn't affect his career in the long term. Number three, the weather. For example, the storm blew over quickly, leaving only a few fallen branches in its wake. And lastly, about rumors. For example, the rumors about the company's financial troubles blew over once they released a reassuring statement. Like the video in case you found it useful and follow for more.